Today's topic is about difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell replication. So we will look in detail between prokaryotic and eukaryotic replication. In the structure of DNA, the prokaryotic have circular DNA while eukaryotic have a linear DNA structure in the form of chromosome. Further, origin of replication. So mostly origin of replication, that is considered ori for the prokaryotic, while for the eukaryotic cell there is a multiple site for the origin of replication is found. So simultaneously replication can occur at multiple site. Further, single stranded binding protein. So mostly cooperative binding to the single stranded DNA is found in the prokaryotic, while this single strand DNA binding protein binds at the replication fork for the eukaryotic. Further, RNA primer. So for that RNA primer requirement for the synthesis of both strand. So that is same way for the eukaryotic, but here DNA polymerase alpha has also primase activity and initiate synthesis of both lagging and leading strand. So that is difference between origin, single stranded binding protein and RNA primer. Further in detail, that DNA polymerase, some major enzyme is DNA polymerase 3 for the prokaryotic, while main enzymes for eukaryotic replication, that is DNA polymerase delta and epsilon. Proofreading. Mostly proofreading activity in prokaryotic is done by the DNA polymerase 3. Also have 3' to 5' exonuclease activity, so that any wrong base is removed and the correct one is added. So that is with the help of DNA polymerase 3. While DNA polymerase delta and epsilon both have 3' to 5' exonuclease activity and therefore serve as a proofreading function in the eukaryotic. So for the eukaryotic you have to remember that DNA polymerase delta and epsilon. Further, gap filling. The RNA primer is removed and gap is filled by DNA polymerase in the prokaryotic. While eukaryotic, RNA primer is removed by these RNase H and FEN, that is flap endonuclease 1 enzyme. Now, polymerase beta is involved in gap filling and DNA repair mechanism. So you have to remember for the primer removal, for the eukaryotic, extra two enzymes are present, that is RNase H and FEN1. Further, inhibitor. What are the inhibitor of prokaryotic DNA replication? They can work as a antibiotics. So example, that is ciprofloxacin and novobiosine. They are inhibiting gyrase, which is doing same as a topoisomerase activity. Now, what are the inhibitor of eukaryotic, like etoposide, adriamycin and camptothecin, that is inhibiting topoisomerase in the eukaryotic and work as a anti-cancer drug. So that is the main difference. So if we are able to inhibit prokaryotic DNA replication, that molecule can work as a antibiotics, or any molecule that is inhibiting eukaryotic DNA replication, that can be work as a anti-cancer agent. So that's all about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic DNA replication.